This should be a working book for children in the kindergarten. It should be in black and white and in DIN A4. This is the table of content. Please make it much nicer than I did. And in the end, please add the page numbers. The forward is right now 2 pages. I'm not sure if we can make it 1. I would like to have 1, but I think it's too much, and it's very important that the parts for the children are written in the front open dyslexic and in the front size 13, and the parts for the parents should be in Comic Sans and in the front size 11. We would like to have a picture or a logo right here, something that separates the first part, so the children part, from the adult part. Then we have placeholders right here. There should be a box for the children to put in their names. So it should be a little bit bigger and much nicer than this. There's nothing to do. And there either. Then we come to the first picture. This part should be 1 page in total, so this is the end, and we would like to have the picture a little bit bigger, as big as possible, so that the children can fill in the lines like this. All the pictures I will show you I already bought, so there's no need that you should take them from the internet. We already have them. There you can see a DIY. We would like to have a logo or a picture right here. I put some examples in the end. It should be something that is eye-catching, so that the children and the parents can see that there's something that is extra from the book to do. All the pictures you see should fit the page. So the headlines are in Comic Sans and underlined, and the children parts are not underlined and a little bit bigger, so in size 13, as I told before. I don't know why there's a gap, so this is not what it should look like. Here the same, please just fit all the pictures to the size and to the page. There's a DIY again. Here is the front also different. You can make it a little bit fatter. I don't know, something that is eye-catching, so you can see it's something different than in the other book. There's a new picture that should fit this page, and those 2 should fit on this page, so it's 1 on this and 2 on this. And now the children have to cut out something, so we need those pictures fit the whole page, so there's enough space for the children to cut it out. And yeah, this is the one, this 2. Some pictures already have still have the parts in English. This is what we don't need, so if you see something like this, please just cut it. It's not necessary for us. All those parts need to be cut out here again, so please just cut it. Here again, it should fit the page. Here, please cut out the headlines. Mostly, if there are 2 pictures on 1 page, there should be 2 pictures in 1 page. Here you can fit all those 5 lines directly underneath each other, so that there's no need to be a gap. Here you can cut out the headlines again. There are pictures who the children need to search the differences, so these 2 can be on this page and these 2 can be on this page, and please cut out those. Find the difference. Here we need nicer boxes than this, and we want them all to be the same size. So something where the children can put something in. Here the same. It should fit in this one von hinten, so it needs to be a little bit longer than just this. Here again, please just cut this away. Then we have the play bingo. Here we need those pictures on this side too, so you can make them smaller to fit them on this page. And this is the end. Here's the example for the DIY. I prefer something like this. A child who is doing something, but if you have a hand that is doing something, it's okay too. This is just, I'm not so happy with this one. It's more for the adults, so it should be something like this. Yeah, this should be it. So thank you very much.